Who is Bihari Developer? Bihari Developer is an online identity created by Sunil Pandey, a passionate .NET developer from Ara, Bihar. It represents his journey in software development, technical blogging, and YouTube content creation. Sunil uses this identity to share his knowledge, help aspiring developers, and contribute to the tech community by providing tutorials, guidance, and mentorship. Bihari Developer on YouTube. Sunil Pandey created the Bihari Developer YouTube channel to help developers, especially those working in .NET technologies. The channel primarily focuses on .NET Core and ASP.NET MVC tutorials, Web API development and JWT Authentication, database handling with SQL Server, front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, Kendo UI, jQuery, and JavaScript, payment gateway integration, AuthorizeNet, Razorpay, CC Avenue, PayPal, Stripe, etc., third-party API integrations, microservices architecture, Git and GitHub, Azure DevOps, not VB.NET, Entity Framework Core, Link, software development tips and tricks, and best practices for optimizing code and performance. Motive behind the channel aims to help developers by providing easy-to-understand tutorials, especially for beginners. It focuses on branding and promotion to establish Bihari Developer as a trusted name in the .NET community. Sunil actively works on collaboration and growth by connecting with other developers and expanding the community. Additionally, the channel provides career guidance, helping developers with job preparation, interview strategies, and skill building. Website biharideveloper.com. https://biharideveloper.com is a technical blog and portfolio website that shares coding tutorials, C#, ASP.NET Core, Web API, SQL, JavaScript, jQuery, etc., problem-solving articles related to software development and debugging, tech news and updates, a personal portfolio showcasing his experience and projects, and guidance on programming, software architecture, and best practices. More than 5 years of experience in software engineering. Sunil Pandey has 5+ years of experience in the software industry, specializing in back-end development, C#, ASP.NET Core, Web API VNet, front-end development, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, Kendo UI, database management, SQL Server, Entity Framework Core, Link AD.NET, Cloud and DevOps, Azure DevOps, Git and GitHub, and enterprise applications, microservices, third-party integrations, payment gateways. Sunil Pandey, always ready to help. Sunil is not just a developer, but a mentor and guide for anyone who needs help in programming or career growth. He actively helps with solving programming issues by providing guidance and solutions to those stuck on coding problems. He also assists with software ideas and development guidance, helping developers brainstorm and execute new software projects. In addition, he offers job preparation and career advice, guiding developers on what to study, how to prepare for interviews, and how to build a strong resume. He also supports referrals and networking by assisting job seekers with references where possible and helps with interview preparation by suggesting important topics, coding questions, and real-world problem-solving techniques. Who should follow Bihari Developer? This platform is ideal for beginners and experienced .NET developers looking for structured tutorials, students and job seekers wanting to learn software development, tech enthusiasts interested in web development, back-end programming and software engineering best practices, and anyone preparing for tech interviews who needs guidance on what to study and how to crack interviews. Bihari Developer is more than just a YouTube channel or a website. It's a brand dedicated to helping developers grow, whether through tutorials, blogs, problem-solving, career advice, or mentorship. Sunil Pandey is making tech learning accessible for all.